Now, in this video, we're going to talk about this problem, a math problem, specifically geometry problem that is taken from an SAT reviewer. So I'm going to teach you how to solve this and also the answer for this problem. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel at the end of this video if you think you have learned from this explanation. So let's analyze this problem. So if AC is congruent to BC, the segment AC and BC in the figure, which is below, what is the perimeter of triangle ABC? So we have some symbols here. But before that, let me give you the choices. The choices are 14, B is 15, C is 16, and D is 18. So the correct answer for this is actually letter C. It's 16. So how do we get the answer? Why is it 16? So let's analyze the given. It says that AC is congruent to BC. So this symbol means they are equal in measure or length, equal in length. That's congruent. It's an equal with a wiggle on top. That means congruent. Congruent means they are equal in measure. That's specific, that it is the measure that is equal. So AC is this and BC is this, so they are equal. So if they're equal in geometry, it is understood that the middle here is right in the center of this triangle. So that's a theorem. I think that's a theorem under the isosceles triangles. So what is the perimeter of triangle ABC? So perimeter means the total sides, or I mean the total length of sides of this triangle ABC. So now we look at the coordinates. It says A is 0, 4. So it means that this portion is 4 units length, and this one is 6, 4, the B. So it means that this B is at 6. X is 6. So the length of this is 6 units. So that means this is 6 units long, the one on top. So if that is 6 units long and the two sides are equal, so we just need to know what are these two sides. And only one side that you need to compute, because since it's given that they are the same. So to do that, to know, to solve that, we're going to use this triangle. The triangle here on this side. So it's a right triangle because there is vertical and horizontal side. If it's a right triangle, then we can apply the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem. Where in a right triangle, if this is A and B and then the hypotenuse is C, this is the right angle, it's A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So in our problem, we have the A, which is 4, the B, so it's not given actually, but you can actually figure out what's the B, this one, because it's half of the length of the base, the one on top. So it's 3 because it's half of 6. So why is it half? Because it's given that the AC and BC are congruent, meaning they are equal in measure. So that means it's right in the middle of this length, this AB. So now we have that triangle. So we can replace, So we can basically replace that with 3, 4, and here is the question. So we'll name it C. So we'll just name it C. So let's solve this. So we have 4 squared plus 3 squared equals C squared. That's based on the Pythagorean theorem. So 4 squared, or 4 times 4, is 16. 3 squared, or 3 times 3, is 9, equals c squared. So 16 plus 9 is 25. And c squared, by the way, is the one, the length of AC. I mean, the c is the length of AC. So c squared, since there is square, so we're going to take the square root of both sides. Square root of both sides, so that the square of the c squared, so it's like eliminating the square. So it's the same idea as that. So it will be only c, and square root of 25 is 5, because 5 times 5 is 25. So you do the opposite. Square root of 25 is 5. So the c is 5. So that means this is 5. And also this is 5 because they are congruent. So now what is the perimeter of the triangle? So the perimeter will be, we'll just add all the sides. 6 plus 5 plus 5. Oh, sorry. 6 plus 5 plus 5. So this is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. So that's why the answer is 16.